It's 7:30. We have 22 members. So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the logo presentation. And we want to launch the logo today. There has been a lot of discussion on it. I really hope that by the end of the presentation, many of the doubts that had been asked and put forward will be clarified. For those who have not attended, what we are going to do is tomorrow we will put this presentation on WhatsApp as well as on email so that everybody can be familiar. Having said that, this presentation is an automatic presentation. It lasts 25 minutes. So nobody can speak in between. Kindly mute yourselves, all of you. And once the presentation starts, it runs through for 25 minutes. This presentation, you will find, it is dated 11th of July, when it was originally planned to be conducted. We had to postpone this event to today, basically because one of the family members of one of the management committee was gravely ill, and the doctor had given just a couple of days. So we couldn't take a chance, so we had to postpone it. And on behalf of all of you, I would like to wish that family less pain and, may things pass in a better manner. Having said that, we will start the presentation. Kindly mute yourself and let's go through it. And after the 25 minutes, we will have any number of questions. We'll be very, very happy to answer any questions that there are. All said and done, we have no intentions, absolutely no intentions of putting down this wonderful organization, which I keep saying in all presentations and wherever I write to all over India, I keep saying that this is one of a kind institution. And we have been given this responsibility for the last 2 years, and we have no intention of dishonoring it. In fact, our aim is to make it better and better and better. As far as the ownership goes, there are 250 members who own the AFUA. And we are all members, we are equal owners of this AFUA. We must follow the customs and traditions of this organization. Please view this presentation with an open mind. I hand over to Wing Commander Ravi for the presentation. Kindly mute yourself, please.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The theme of this presentation today is the adoption of a new logo for AFBOA. We all know that nothing is a need to change with the times. Is there anything the matter with our present logo? Not at all. It is one of the most durable designs ever. It is just that the expectations, perceptions, and contemporary compulsions change with the advancement of time, and that's exactly why we are here today discussing it. Our present logo has been around for more than 2 decades now, and there is a compelling need to keep pace with the ever-growing digital operating environment. That said, let us first analyze the attributes of a good logo. The logo should be simple. That is, it is easily identifiable. Secondly, the logo should be memorable, facilitating easy recall.
There's a request that the volume is low. Can you increase the volume?
It should have a permanent character rather than being a...
It's running at maximum volume, Harsha.
Individuals, kindly increase the volume at your end, please. Sorry for the interruption.
Please allow me a minute, Harsha.
Yeah, Raja.
With a temporary trim. I will take an example of a popular logo which has got both permanent and temporary elements to it. We are all great fans of the catchy slogans of Amul butter on topical issues, but they are all forgotten when the issue is no more current. The brand Amul goes on forever. Fourthly, the logo should be versatile. You must be wondering what has versatility got to do with a logo. What is meant here is the ability of the logo to be used all over in print and digital mediums in various sizes and multiple colors without loss of clarity and legibility. And lastly, the logo should be appropriate. This needs no explanation though. Let us now see how logo measure against these attributes. Is it simple? Yes, it is indeed simple. Is it memorable? The answer is in the affirmative. Is it timeless? Very much. It has stood the test of time for more than 2 decades is proof enough. We are constrained to say no here as its design and format do not lend itself for the current needs of digital manipulation. It is not just the print alone. There are needs such as embossing in a t-shirt, placing it in a crest in a cap, using it in multiple web applications, etc. The design should lend itself to such vast variety of applications and unfortunately, the present logo does not support all. Is it appropriate? Absolutely. There is no doubt whatsoever on its appropriateness. To illustrate a major limitation of the present logo, let us increase the size and see for ourselves as to how the quality has deteriorated. The present logo belongs to the graphics technology of yesteryears, possibly using a popular desktop publishing software called PageMaker. The image suffers from the inherent problem of pixelation when the size is increased. As you can see, the sharpness of the letters is gone, as also the legibility of the tri-services insignia at the center has reduced manifold. Owing to the high density of text present in this logo, the clarity will suffer more when taken up for use in web applications, the reason why the present logo does not appear in our website at all. Logos these days are necessarily made in a class of graphics called vector graphics that lend themselves to digital manipulations without loss of quality. Is there a quick fix solution available to tide over this limitation? Yes, there is. The same design of the present logo could have been redeveloped as a vector graphic image. Since the cost of redevelopment as a vector graphic image will be the same as redesigning a new logo, the managing committee saw this as an opportunity to explore this domain more and see if a redesign of the logo would make more sense. As you all have acknowledged on different times earlier, one of the guiding mantras of the present managing committee is to make the association future ready in every sense of the word. Here is an illustrative list, not an exhaustive one, of possible future applications. While embossing the logo in a t-shirt is one popular application, placing it as a crest on a cap could be another. There could be many more web-based applications that may pop up in future too. If the association takes up such plans, the density of text appearing in the logo would dictate a fairly big-sized embossing, which will seriously compromise the aesthetics of the output. What next was the question before the managing committee. The committee perceived a clear need for a change of the logo. What approach do we take to redesign the logo? Even at the conceptual stage, it was very important to determine what content, what color combination, the style of design, and the final product that would emerge at the end of it all. Before we even get into the exercise of redesign, it was necessary for the committee to look around the universe of logos currently doing the rounds to understand the contemporary trends in this domain. The members examined hundreds of trendy logos, and I would like to take the audience too today on a short tour of the subset of logo designs analyzed by the team. Some more designs for you. Here are even more. There is a lot more. It was indeed a wonderful and an interesting exercise to know the current trends in branding and marketing. We could clearly see four common threads that ran across these attractive designs that set them apart from the ordinary. One, the central entity of all designs, the icons, were very unique, catchy, and quite different from the usual. Two, all of them had a very catchy tagline, promoting their central theme very effectively. Three, many of them were in multicolor, not any combination of colors, but very aesthetically chosen, compatible color combinations. And four, a singular feature that stood out very clearly was that the logos did not look very cluttered. The full form of the name of the company or the organization was never made the part of the logo. It was just the abbreviated form or the anagram. With the wisdom of extensive research behind us, the members of the managing committee got into serious deliberations on our approach on the redesign of the new logo. The issues discussed at length were: should the design be conventional or modern? Modern was the consensus. While there is no doubt that the nationalism and patriotism are in our blood, the new design should portray the veterans' focus area rather than blindly typecasting the inter-services insignia as part of our logo, as is being done by most veteran associations. Should it be symbolic or explicit? Symbolic was the members' vote. What came out in this discussion was that inter-services veterans' camaraderie should be the central theme of the new design. Should it be minimalistic or maximalistic? Minimalistic was the call. Yet the new design should adequately state the theme very strongly. Making a short departure from this presentation, it may possibly bring a smile onto your faces to know that the discussion among the MC members were reminiscent of the comparison between the Renaissance period till early 20th century, when the opulence and the grandeur of the times dictated every action, and the mantra then was more is less. The modern thought in the much evolved late 20th century thinking was less is more. The committee has clearly gone by the contemporary thinking, and the mandate here was less is more. No clutter whatsoever was the clear message. Should it be mono or multicolor? Multicolor was the winner here, but not any color combination, but the one that would depict the individual and collective identity of the services. Of course, in addition to the above, the design should incorporate the core attributes of being simple, memorable, timeless, versatile, and appropriate. With this, our terms of reference for the new design was ready. This screen is nothing but a summary of our discussion of the last two screens as to what our ultimate design should look like. In short, the new design should be modern, symbolic, minimalistic, and multicolor, while incorporating the core values of being simple, memorable, timeless, versatile, and appropriate. Logo design is indeed a serious business, and we needed a professional outfit to handle it for us. With the help of the IT consultant, the committee identified a professional player based out of Nasik, 99logos.com, in this domain, and had commissioned the company to design our new logo. We had a contractual obligation with the service provider of completing the design discussions in just 12 business days. The managing committee went through a hectic period of back and forth and completed the discussion, revision, and finalization process within the deadline. The rationale behind the four components that would go into the design are: what text should appear as part of the logo. It was a simple decision indeed. The association has a significant digital footprint now, and the abbreviated form AFVOA followed by the geographic coordinate of Chennai are good enough identifiers for the logo. What icon? A significant amount of time was spent in deciding what would symbolize post-retirement inter-services camaraderie among the veterans. This was a subject of heated discussions among the members, but the power of the democratic process followed within the managing committee one finally. For the benefit of our members, let me summarize the selected icon. Three clasped hands, each representing a service, coming together after retirement to promote camaraderie, with the firmness of their grips indicating unadulterated synergy. That is, the total effort is much greater than the sum of the parts. What tagline? Another subject for serious deliberations among the members. We needed a suitable tagline or a motto or a slogan. Of the few that were shortlisted, camaraderie forever won the race finally. Are we missing out on any other? Is there any other symbolism that can depict inter-services flavor of the association? It was unanimously decided the newfound color of maroon to depict the integrated operations among the three services must find a place in the new logo. Now that all the design elements have been discussed, it's over to the President A. Marshal Varthaman for the launch of the new logo.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my proud privilege to release the new logo of the Armed Forces Veteran Officers Association of Chennai. Jai Hind.
In all fairness, we must put the new logo through the same test that we did with the old one to evaluate its efficacy. As you can see, the increase in the size has not affected the quality of the logo whatsoever. If the upwardly curved arc of the slogan, camaraderie forever, as it appears in our logo, reminds you of a smiley, it is indeed intended. The new logo is just a design. What all did we get from the service provider in support of the ownership of the design? We received the vector design in 5 different graphic formats: JPEG, PNG, AI, which stands for Adobe Illustrator, the ubiquitous PDF, and MS PDF formats. The Adobe Illustrator AI format is a proprietary format of Adobe that lends itself to more advanced manipulations. MS PDF, that is Microsoft PDF, is a web optimized PDF format. Number 2, transfer of the intellectual property rights through a design transfer agreement with the service provider. A few mock-up screens to give us a flavor of how the design will translate into different applications, say in 2-dimension, 3-dimension, in embossing, etc. This is a 2D mock-up. The 3D mock-up is here. And this is how an embossing will look like. And how much did it all cost us end to end? The service had a base price of rupees 4,999 along with the GST of 18%. We ended up paying an amount close to rupees 5,900. With this, we come to the end of the logo launch presentation. We will be happy to answer any questions that the audience may have. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you very much. Vartha sir, over to you. You're muted.
Ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen the logo, the new logo that has been designed, and what is the process that we had been through, and what was the various factors that had been factored into this. And that's how the result is. You have seen now. We are open to any questions that you have.
Yes, Goswami, Major Goswami, kindly unmute yourself, sir. Unmute yourself, kindly.
Now, my only point is you've done a fantastic professional job, just like any of the corporates. It's a really great work that has been done in the same manner that you always conduct your reconnect meetings and all that. But my only point is you still have only 250 members. Please try and get more membership. We got about 3,000, 4,000 retired off, personnel. So I suggest you that we must try and enroll more members so that it justifies the type of excellent professional work that you've carried on. You've done quite a bit of work, there's no doubt about it. eConnect, the same thing. It's fantastic. But I suggest to you that we must do on an enrollment drive to get newer, younger members to join and help in getting this further. Because what I am worried is the next managing committee will have a very difficult time in trying to go through with this type of professional work that you undertaken. It is almost impossible for them the way it is going on. So that is my only point. Try and get more members, try and get the younger lot. I agree with you that you've done a fantastic job. There's no denying that fact. eConnect series, your veterans vibes, they're all really great. And your connections and networking is superb. There's no denying that. But my only request is try and get more members to get this going in a continuous manner, because you still have 250. We had 250 25 years back. I'm just telling you. That is the point which I am feeling.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I'll answer this point. First and foremost, I'm very confident that each management committee which comes one after another will be better than the previous. I have no doubts about it. Absolutely no doubts. Having said that, as far as the membership goes, it's a little out of the context for what we are meeting today. However, I'll answer it. First and foremost, AFVUA is almost globally known. Despite that, and today, thanks to our website and our YouTube channel, to everything, everybody knows us and people from all over the country talk to us. Despite that, if people don't want to join, no thank you. We don't want them. We want people who love this organization for what it is. Even if we have 10 people, let the 10 people love this organization and be part of it. I think 250 is a pretty good number. And the campaign should be self-sustaining on its own. People must be interested. In fact, our secretary, I think in the last 10 days, he's got some 3 members already. Am I right, Harsha?
Yes, sir. 2 are on board. 1 more is coming in.
Yes. So the people come in and many go out. In fact, this year, a few went out as well. And we lost a few of our members as well. So when we discussed this aspect among the management committee, we were very clear. This is not our focus job. Who are here, you're welcome. Come and be happy to join us and enjoy the AFVUA like a comrade to everybody else. If the others don't want, in fact, I run another organization, which is the Air Force Association. I have 8,000 members in Tamil Nadu. Okay, and there are 8,000 more who are not members, who are air veterans. The loss is entirely theirs, entirely. And when the fellow dies, his spouse is running around in circles and comes running to us. Yes, of course, we help them. But we keep telling them, if you don't join us, you will be in trouble. Having said that, I think this is fine, sir. This is not our focus area, sir. I think, yes, sir.
But sir, if I might add, if you remember about 8 to 10 months back, the management committee had sent a mail as an appeal to all the members that we won't increase the membership and requested everyone to convince any 2 veterans whom they know in Chennai to join us. If that had, people had really worked on our request, we would have had 500 members more as of now.
Exactly what I was saying. Ownership. It's not the management committee's job to campaign. everybody owns this organization, get one member. We'll go to the next question. Karthi sir, you were saying? No.
He's muted. You other type on.
That's
Yeah.
it. I'm getting a heart attack. No more questions, at least on the logo.
Sukumar wants to ask a question,
Yeah.
and Mrs. Pramila Rajan also. We will take Mrs. Pramila Rajan's questions first.
Unmute, ma'am. Please unmute.
I was wondering, you use a beautiful logo for your messaging on WhatsApp, those lovely flags. You didn't consider the flags?
Yes. Firstly, ma'am, we must thank you because you also contributed to the discussions, and especially ma'am helped us in selecting our motto. Thank you, ma'am. And as far as the flags are concerned, basically, it is so easy. I can just copy it from there. It is existing. And in fact, I used to use it in earlier flyers as well. But it is everywhere. Everybody has it. That is why.
I
May
got
I add something, sir?
confused.
It is
with
commonplace.
that was vis-a-vis your new logo. You see, I didn't associate that oval at all. It went out of my mind. And I said, this is so attractive. Why on earth are these guys trying to change the flags? The flags that themselves make a great impression on whenever I send it to my children and to their friends.
Yes.
They all comment upon that particular
Yeah.
configuration.
Sir, may I add to this?
That's why I objected to the logo per se. I withdraw that name and it's a yay now.
Thank you.
I
Thank
made
you.
a mistake, so I ought to accept the mistake. Thank you.
May I add something to the response, sir?
Yes, Ravi.
Ma'am, these flags, they are commonplace, number one. They are freely available, but they also have copyright issues actually, ma'am.
I see.
We
I
have been
understand.
using it all right, but actually a bit of a reservation after all, because from the Getty images,
Yeah,
I'm
Getty
sure
Images.
someday it will come up for a copyright violation. That is the reason why we wanted to look outside of that.
Ah,
By the way, this is available as a tabletop display. You can buy it in Amazon or any other. You find it in many offices. They buy it and keep it on the table.
I see.
Yes.
But is this clasping hand? It reminds me of the HDFC logo. I hope it has got nothing to do with that. Oh, no, because we don't want somebody hoisting
No,
a
ma'am.
cape on us.
If I can interrupt, when we were doing this design, somebody pointed out that it is also resembling the symbol of the Kamala Hassan's party, Makkal Nidhi Mayam.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
but no, there are only two hands in that.
two hands.
Okay, so we have done a hell of a lot of background exercise in, ensuring that we are not violating any copyright of anybody.
Let's see.
Yes, Suku?
May I also add one more, which Ravi has missed adding? The colors of those hands represent Air Force, Navy, and Army.
For me, yeah.
That's right. Yes.
And that is very significant, actually.
And the oval shape is the Joint Services, Chief of Defense Staff. That's a maroon. Yes.
Yes, Sukumar?
Yeah, sir, I don't know whether it is out of place or not. May I sponsor the expenditure which is incurred by the AFPOA in designing this logo?
Wow. Suku, I never refuse a generous offer.
If there is no
Thank you.
problem,
Thank
then
you
I
very
don't-
much.
Thank you, sir.
If I may say, sir, I set the by sharing the expenditure last.
Yes, sir. That was for the compilation of the newsletters. Thank you. But you told me not to mention it and you threatened me.
And he forgot.
And he forgot. No
Anyone
other.
wants- Any more clarifications or any more, info that you want? We are ready here to explain everything.
I by a majority of one say that this logo is beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you, Ravi.
And I would like to stand up and give a standing ovation to the entire team for having a salute.
Thank you, Matt. Thank you.
Salute.
Thank you.
Can I say something, sir?
Joy. Joy. Yes, sir. Please.
Sir, it is one thing is which I think I was a little upset on the Palm Grove veterans WhatsApp chat, where all our inner feelings were openly discussed by certain members. So I think either two things, either allow the current WhatsApp group as an open interactive group or keep this as broadcast, and another one where we have AFUOA WhatsApp group interactive, which I think we should immediately start before, and then ask these people not to put all these things, in-house things into open platforms.
Sir, can I answer this question?
Yes, Harsha.
Joy, sir, if actually what has been posted in the Palm group is I am not known to Varta sir or Ravi or anybody else, because I'm a member of the group. I read it. Yes, I did feel hurt about it, but that's that. Okay. And secondly, coming to now, we formed a WhatsApp group to ensure there is proper communication from our side to all the members. We didn't open it up for any chats because the important messages would get lost. Having said that, any of our members are free to form a WhatsApp group and make it a chat group. That will be a private, that will not be official from my side or from the association side. All members are free to chat in that group. Kindly include me also, whoever is going to be the admin of that. So, and yes, now what people put in Palm Grove group, we have no hold over what they have to say. And I think you in one of your mail very rightly pointed out, so what if there is no, it's an admin controlled group, but then you have the AFUA Google Mail group where you can put in your whatever you want to share. So I think that's that, sir. We have no, I would say we have no sort of objection if anybody starts a WhatsApp chat group, but ours will be admin controlled.
Harsha sir, for this, my submission is we have the WhatsApp group number one, which is a broadcast group, where only the admin will broadcast whatever messages you want to get to the members. Another WhatsApp interactive group, officially by the official, it's an official group where members can management committee gets to know what the members want to convey to the management committee on any topic. Because what I think the mail is now going out of fashion. That's the main thing. Is WhatsApp is what everybody is going into, including even 10 pages, 20 pages, 30 pages. Things are just attached into WhatsApp and sent. Nobody is using a mail group these days.
Joy, sir, let me answer this. Harsha, 1 minute. I'll just answer this.
Yes, sir.
Let me say, many of us after retirement, we all had an honorable service, every one of us. And after retirement, there are many of us who are wanted, who are found wanting in discipline and integrity and, the love and sense and feeling for the service. If people are washing dirty linen on a group, okay, instead of just picking up the phone, ringing up Harsha, ringing up Ravi, ringing up Varta, just pick up and ring. Everybody's number is known, but they want to broadcast the feelings. This is pure indiscipline. You're campaigning. I mean, we are not supposed to campaign and broadcast telling that I don't like this and these fellows are doing all wrong. Why are you campaigning? Have the guts, pick up the phone, call up and say, this is my view. But they want to put it in a group which is not even ours. It is so sad. It is so very sad. Unless we learn to live in a disciplined manner post-retirement, we will have like this, such a beautiful organization like AFUA. Probably, I keep saying, it is one of its kind in this country. And it is running so beautifully, it's been created so beautifully. And we want to, the slightest spark, it just needs a spark. One spark and everybody goes violent. That's why I wrote that message. It is only skin deep. Feeling for the organization is just skin deep. And the moment it's pricked, everybody explodes and starts off. So it is saddening. And as far as this admin control group, as long as we are running it, it will run as an admin control group. And on the 1st of September, the next management committee may wish to do it. This I'm very clear about. And otherwise, the important notices get lost.
Yeah, may I say so?
Yes, Vijesh. Oh, wait. No, Brigadier Subramaniam is.
So.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
No, I think I want to add a couple of things to what A. Marshall said. The point is the Palm Groves group actually does not have all AFUA members. Many of them, in fact, a lot of them who commented were not even members of AFUA. That is the biggest problem. And what you talk about discipline is very, very true. We should not have anything to do with AFUA on the Palm Grove group at all, because it's run by somebody else. And there are people not only from Chennai, there are people from Trichy, from Bangalore on that group. I don't know how they've gotten to the Palm Grove group, but they're there. And by putting it in the Palm Grove group, we are broadcasting, as you rightly say. In fact, many of them only talk about failings, nothing about achievements. What we've achieved is not broadcast. What we have not achieved, they try to, unnecessarily give credence to it. So I think we should be disciplined and not get into the Palm Grove group or any AFUA matter. If you want to talk about AFUA matters, put it on the AFUA email group or address the secretary. I'm sure things will get out. It's we who got to be more disciplined. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Vijesh. Yeah.
Sir, my only point was that somebody commented what should do. Slowly, all the professional organizations in a group are shifting to Google groups. There are two reasons for that. Because with this WhatsApp, it's very easy, but the amount of crap you get in this, which is not concerned to you. Same thing is being repeated, is no authentication. Lot of something which is not confirmed coming to you, you believe it. This is the problems. It is being studied at very different level in cybersecurity. I think if somebody has Google group is there today, I wanted to say something. I said to a Google group. I'm sure you all have read it. It was my feeling, right or wrong. I put it across all of you. So if your members are there, they will go through it. If he has something wrong, I have said, he can come back to me. Something, and the group which is AFUA has made is very right. We want to hear from you. We have something to approach you. I think it's a very good combination. Should continue anyways. My submission. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay.
Brigadier Shanmuganandam has raised his hand. Shanmuganandam, sir, kindly.
Mine is not a comment, it's just a doubt. As ma'am rightfully said that even I noticed the 3 hands represent 3 services. But just for my knowledge, we have a red. Why is Navy red, sir? That's all. That's my doubt.
It's not red.
Navy is blue.
Navy is deep blue.
Navy is always blue, sir. Will remain blue.
Navy is blue.
Army is shown in red.
Army is red.
But should it be OG, sir? OG.
Army. Oh.
God.
Harakiri. I'm
Going to do Harakiri.
Yeah. See, it
Like
should be
combination
light.
will come
Sir,
next.
my thing is it should be light blue, white, and OG. Based, I had a doubt. Maybe there is some reason I didn't know. That's what.
This
Sir,
is
these are the colors of the flags.
It's
These are
a
the colors of
service
the flags of these
approved
services.
Yeah.
Sir?
Just that logo can be displayed now.
Can
logo
give me a
be
minute,
displayed?
It will be sent tomorrow, sir. We'll send it to the WhatsApp group. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ravi Mani, sir.
May I?
Yes, Ravi.
Sir, this is regarding the point Major Joy Korothu brought out about the WhatsApp groups. Here in Belgaum, I am a member of the Veterans Belgaum Association, and they have a WhatsApp group. Now, despite periodical changes from admin only to free, in the free state, it contains, like Harsha said, it contains a lot of junk. And recently, when we've had some veterans getting into an emergency, ladies living alone whose spouses have passed away, getting into an emergency, those emergency messages, the requirements were not seen by people. And so we should have only an admin control group as far as AFVO's instructions or information is concerned. And as far as the other one is concerned, if somebody wants an informal group, let it be done. And then, like it was pointed out, here we have this problem of people from all over Karnataka and Maharashtra joining the group and sending all kinds of rubbish. So it is a very, I mean, it'd be a very dangerous thing tomorrow if somebody needs help, particularly in the COVID condition, or somebody is alone, becomes unconscious. You want to quickly convey a message. The message is best conveyed top down rather than everybody cluttering the WhatsApp group. So I don't think it would be a good idea. Let it be a single, I mean, a WhatsApp group as it is now. If somebody wants, they can open a separate WhatsApp group.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I think who was there? Sridharan, sir, you wanted to ask a question?
If the logo is displayed, we can keep seeing it and it looks good.
Sir, I can open it again, sir.
Okay.
Open that particular slide, Ravi.
Yeah. You can just give me a second, sir.
That's all.
I thought there'll be a lot of discussions on the logo, but hardly any.
We are a small group, ma'am, right now. Not many people are joined up.
No, 32 participants are there.
The opinions and comments on the logo is what the committee is looking forward to.
I want to share something, Marshall.
Please.
Ravi,
let Ravi show that logo again.
3D.
It's there. It is there now.
It's there.
Ravi, next slide. Next slide.
Am I audible?
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Ravi, next slide. 20. No, 20,
Yeah.
20.
Yeah. No, 20, this is an expanded one.
No, go to the 3D, Ravi.
So 3D won't give the correct color combination. So they have played around with the colors. The actual colors are only here, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Yes. And the actual size is that. And 20 Harsha is an expanded one to show that even with expanding the thing here, quality does not serve.
Okay.
Right.
This is for Sridharan, sir. Please, sir. Sridharan, sir.
Make it full screen.
Don't be silly. Who said that? I mean,
No. In that case, it will start playing all over again, Bala. That's the reason why I'm not showing it in the presentation mode.
Okay.
Why are you not putting 20? 20 looks better.
The shape is different. It is elongated.
Elongated a bit, sir.
Compliments to people who designed it.
Thank you, sir. Thank
No,
you.
this is almost the correct one, sir.
Ravi, there is a steel company which has this clasped hands logo. Do you remember which one it is? Of course, it's different, but they have the same kind of clasped hands, 3 hands.
Jindal.
I don't know, sir. I don't remember.
Sir, actually, the base framework was taken from Shutterstock. The coloring is done by us, actually.
No, that's true. I'm only saying that there is a steel company which has this kind of
the base artwork was taken from Shutterstock. In my company, I have the license of Shutterstock, so it won't have any copyright issues because I have imported from there.
Okay.
Then we have authenticated, we have authorized this 99 Logos company to utilize the cover here. And now this is registered as a very proprietary design of AFVOA Chennai, sir.
Okay.
By the way, sir, we can now that we have the software, or what do I say? What do you call it, Ravi? We have the rights. We have the right. We can manipulate this. We can manipulate to anything with this.
We have the IP for that.
Yeah.
So we can utilize it everywhere. And the one thing that we have not been able to do with the previous logo, as I said, it had a digital limitation. Even our website today, we could not place our logo because you can't find any website without the organization's logo. Our website suffers from the deficiency as of today. For the simple reason, the previous logo, in fact, another thing that I wanted to bring into the knowledge of the attendees today here, this must have been designed 20 years back, we all know that. The original software under which it is designed, the design files are not available with the committees, the previous committees, or with anybody for that matter. Suppose that were available here, probably we could have manipulated that to a vector graphic without much effort after all. So what we have inherited over a period of time is the photocopy of all of them. With the result, there has been subsequent and then the deterioration kind of quality over a period of time. Now today what we have is this can be, in fact, even before this current committee hands over to the next committee here, we are going to be updating our website with this logo now. And wherever there are web applications here, we are going to be doing that because this logo will accommodate that kind of manipulations now, sir.
And Ravi, this also can be used in the future if we decide to have our own glass, whiskey glasses or, wine glasses.
Absolutely. In fact, the one thing that we talked about, in fact, I'm just about hypothetically, in case you had used the previous logo, for the simple reason, the density of information on that was very high. Necessarily, even if you're going to be embossing it in a t-shirt, the size of the embossing would have been very large. Same is the case if you are going to be placed it on a crest of a cap or whatever. Whereas this one will lend itself to, in fact, if we kind of try to shrink that, the legibility of the letters will go in the embossing. The current logo, the redesigned logo now will not suffer from those deficiencies at all. It can be used on a t-shirt, it can be embossed anywhere, it can be placed on a wine cup or whatever. This will not, the quality will not suffer with any manipulation of the size itself. This is basically made of vector graphics, so this will lend itself to any manipulation after all.
Kumar, Arun Kumar has raised his hand. Arun, kindly unmute yourself and ask your question.
Yeah, two questions. One is what is the color of the AFVOA wording and the Chennai and the commentator the tagline? What is the color? Is a deep blue, is it?
Deep blue, yes.
Okay, fine. So
on top AFVOA, we have used shading of light blue.
Okay. The other thing is, I think you mentioned about Ravi. You mentioned about IP. So what does it mean to us? Is it going to be like protected?
Yeah, very much. In the sense, it is, in fact, one of the next thing that we'll be doing, particularly after the approval of the members here, we are going to be registering it as our trademark, so to speak.
Okay. That's what I want.
The IP is protected for us here. Nobody can use this anymore, particularly this kind of color combination after all.
Okay, yeah, that's what.
Nobody can copy it from our website and then start using it.
And then start using it, letterhead and all. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
The IP is ours now.
Yeah. Good. Great.
Mrs. Rajan, ma'am, kindly, Pramila ma'am, please ask your question.
No, I just wanted to know whether the colors red and the dark blue could be muted a bit. They seem to be too, bold.
Then you will not get the three-dimensional effect, ma'am. We have tried all combinations before arriving at this particular
thing. It can't be mellowed down. It cannot be mellowed down.
Ma'am, we can do it superficially at our end, but the base color would need to be the same, ma'am, in the back office, in the back end.
Well, Krishnaswamy wanted to say something.
Yeah. Krishna?
Yeah, I can go ahead.
Yes, sir.
I want to give it as a, shall we say, final summing up.
Are there any more questions, sir?
Yeah, that's why I wanted to ask if there is any more questions.
Any more questions?
There is one from Group Captain Sainath on the chat box. 1 minute, sir. Let me go back to his question. Well, Sainath wants to know, is the logo frozen? Do we have a timeline for review? Well, I think we are frozen on this. Am I right?
Yes, we are frozen. It can be thrown out of the window in the AGM. That the right, the members are the right.
Okay, one more, sir. There was one more, I thought, chat.
Are there anyone watching this in the YouTube?
It's
No,
not
sir.
on YouTube, sir.
No, we are
not
not
on
live
YouTube.
streaming, sir.
No.
Okay, today is not on YouTube.
No.
Okay, in other words, the people who had had some anxieties and apprehensions, they will come to know only tomorrow when you publish it in the WhatsApp group and the email group. Am I correct?
Sir,
They could have joined today also.
No,
sir,
some of them have joined, but not
sir,
all.
may I respond to this, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Krishna, this is what we are planning to do is there'll be two presentations. One is the presentation standalone of whatever you have done today. The second will be the recording of the whole event today from end to end. I'm going to be uploading this in our YouTube. They can see just the presentation alone, just to get to see the entire mechanics of how we selected this logo. Or if they also want to see the interactions among the members here, they can see the second one. I plan to do this latest by end of day tomorrow, sir.
Okay.
Rama, sir, thank you. Captain Ramachandran has written very nicely. Thank you, sir. The concept and design of the logo is appropriate and it absolutely suits the organization. You're really glad in the heart, sir. Thank you.
Harsha, I hope this is only going to be the AFO group, not in the WhatsApp Palm Grove group.
No, sir. This will be only whatever we think. It will be like any internal mail or any internal WhatsApp post. This will not be given to anybody unless somebody wants to share what he has got in his WhatsApp with the AFUA. We can't stop them. But from our side, from the management committee, this presentation will go only as a mail and as a WhatsApp post.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Jose sir has also written. Thank you, Jose sir. An excellent logo. Kudos to the MC and his designers. Thank you, sir.
Can I carry on now, Air Marshal, with your permission?
As long as there are no more questions, any more
But
questions?
if there are questions, I'll hold on.
Yes, please. Right.
Can we stop sharing the screen, please? Karthikeyan here.
Karthi sir was there. No,
Can we
stop
explain
share.
the-
Ravi, stop share. Karthi sir was there.
Karthikeyan was there. No.
Well, Balaswamy, he had some points, I think.
And Mrs.
Well, Balaswamy.
Mrs. Chandrasekharan had, she was also attending from
Yes,
Shillong.
sir. She was there.
And she had some apprehensions and she got her doubts clarified now.
Yes, sir.
Apprehensions have disappeared.
Good, man. Thank you for the good punch, sir.
Gone into thin air. But Colonel Balaswamy has come. He had a lot of apprehensions.
He had some apprehensions.
Yes.
Kindly unmute yourself, sir, Balasa.
Sir, please unmute.
We can't hear you. Kindly unmute.
He's not.
He's not probably on his screen.
Now it's okay, sir?
Yeah, now it's okay, sir.
Sir, the suggestion is with the new logo that you have displayed here, can we superimpose our old logo also along with it? It only
We'll
says,
hand over to the next MC.
okay.
Task.
No, we want to try that also. In case Wing Commander Ravi can superimpose with this, we would like to have a view of this both. The old logo along with the new one which you have conceived now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Just for the view. Just for the view to identify that AFO belongs to an armed forces. Right. Right now, if it is there, only we know that is the AFWA. No, the armed forces, the conventional logos of the sword or the anchor or the wings, that is missing in that.
Sir, if you can just give me a little time, I'll work on the back end even before we complete this meeting. I'll present those.
Not that it should be done on an immediate basis. It's just a
Yes.
if this can be superimposed, how does it look like?
Not superimposed, sir. I will place it alongside each other so that you can compare, sir. Not superimposed, certainly.
If you whatever you have conceived is the same thing to be retained tomorrow. You also want to have that old one also next to that in the same circle. Two logos.
No more minimalistic. It's no. He wants both together.
Both together in the same one.
Very crowded.
The camaraderie part will be justified by the three hands shaking. That is one. Number two is the armed forces. It belongs to Army, Navy, and Air Force. That is also there. That is a conventional logo all over. All the training institutions still they adopt the same thing. Whether it is NDA or IMA, OTA, they still have all the three. Unless it is exclusive. No, minus the NDA. Otherwise, the IMA has got the same. The sword is there. OTA has got the sword.
Bala, but then one
Just a food for thought. Just food for thought. Whether you can, because since we belong to all the three services, whether both can be shown in the same logo. Same service.
Remember, P, we are all fused bulbs.
I'm going to applaud them.
We are all
And Sir Wing Commander Ravi had made a point about the design of the old logo not available, etc. When we celebrated the Silver Jubilee, I had gone to the market. I got a designer who embossed it on the coffee mug. Exclusive design was made. If you see the very enlarged one, which we presented to all the members also, that particular design, I can try and talk to that fellow and get that one. I'll pass it on to you. Whether you can make use of it in the new logo, well and good.
It's a good idea.
Yeah, he has got it now.
That's a good idea.
I'll give you. I'll talk to that fellow. He wouldn't have destroyed it also. 2-3 samples he gave me with all that Armed Forces, Chennai Association, whatever. The write-up part is a different one, but the logo part, all the three services, that insignia was there. And I'll request him in a day or two. I'll mail it to you. See whether to what extent you can make use of that in your logo part of it.
Sir, if I may interrupt, this is the mug which was there, Silver
Yes,
Jubilee.
that particular
One
design
minute,
is
one minute,
available.
1 minute, let me finish. This has just got the inter-services logo. It has nothing to do with AFVOA. That here henceforth, when we make a mug like this, the present logo which we have made will clearly bring out the entity of our, or the identity of AFVOA. Yes, Ravi, go ahead.
During the course of the presentation itself, we have very clearly explained we wanted to reduce the density of data available within the logo without compromising the quality of it or without compromising the message that you want to give from the organization here. So trying to superimpose and then mix and match both of them, in my opinion, maybe a futile exercise. But then once again, for you to appreciate what is there and what is not there, placing both of them alongside each other for your examination, certainly it will be done.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you.
But if I may put it across, I mean, having it as a permanent feature, two logos, I mean, it doesn't seem to carry much point.
correct. I agree with you.
It'll be crowding. I mean, as it is, this logo is serving the purpose. I mean, what exactly is gained by having old logo alongside? I'm not really able to follow.
That is for identification. Identification of the inter-services, that's all.
So I have a point.
AFVOA Chennai is given clearly on top.
Yes.
So it's AFVOA, what was the old logo? I don't think viewers are concerned. I mean, that's my view.
And not only that, Rama sir, all the ex-servicemen's associations all over the country have this. So what's
that becomes so pedestrian. When you have the same thing coming again.
And basically it is apposite only for the serving, I mean for the services. It's
Yeah,
not
it's service.
apposite for retired people.
I mean, for the official organizations. This is quasi-official.
Remember, we have two bulbs.
So it's like this. So even during the start of our discussions with the service provider here, actually we started some traditional designs. If you just give me a minute, sir, I will also show the journey of where we started and then the deliberations part and then where we eventually produce it. You can just give me a minute, sir. I'll share my screen.
Sure. Please.
And then Brigadier Subramaniam rightly said we are all fused bulbs. We can't impersonate the services.
Thank you, Ravi.
I heard you, sir.
Thank you.
So we started with this. Really speaking, we couldn't get away from the traditional approach of putting the inter-services insignia there. And contractually with the organization, they were supposed to be giving us at least 5 designs. Some of them are here. Then the moment we presented internally to the management committee here, it was not a very refreshing change that we were looking for intrinsically in terms of what we wanted to do. So it went out for this organization had tremendous amount of respect for the services. So they did not make, they gave us at least about 13 such designs. Then finally, we took a little time and got back to them within that contractual obligation of 12 days and told them, no, we do not want the traditional thing that all veterans associations invariably typecast. We want it a little differently. We wanted not so much of density of information here. We wanted to stand out from
Group
the crowd.
discussion amongst themselves. They wanted to.
Colonel Bala sir, may I just submit 1 minute, sir?
I am listening, sir.
So 1
There are
minute,
some more
sir.
here.
I am
There are some
watching,
more.
I am listening.
Yes, sir. So my point, you finished, sir? Ravi sir, you finished?
No, sir.
Okay,
This is the second screen.
Sorry.
I'll finish it just in a minute, sir. This is another set of designs that we got from the organization. And this is the last one that we had, but we are also toying with these images that you are getting to see on the screen. And finally, we chose this.
This also look nice.
May I, sir?
Yeah, Vijesh, please go ahead.
Sir, so I just want to say something, sir. We all from from NDA onwards, we lived the same symbol. And after 35, 40 years, we left the symbol, but we carry the ethos and values in us. Whether we flew plane or a ship or a sword, we got to leave behind the day we give the uniform. But it is about the camaraderie we carry with us, the ethos we carry with us. That's what it symbolizes today.
Well said, Vijesh.
That's the only point.
Very well
The
said.
symbol is carrying very differently in modern thinkings. Ethos, values we carry same. We don't say whether you are a ship or a tank or an air. We are with the hands together after retirement, with working together in society. That's what is purpose.
Vijay sir, this is exactly the
That is
sentiment that
taught you
came
right
up in
from
our
the day
management
one you
committee
entered
meeting.
the academy.
So,
That's
sir,
the question of the word camaraderie has been taught to you right from the day one you entered the academy. It is not a new word which has been coined later.
sir,
Right,
I
along
don't.
with this insignia, we were all the time we were talking about buddy system, teamwork, and camaraderie, etc. All these things were there to talk, were taught you the day we joined the services, whichever may be the service. It is not a new word, that word camaraderie.
Sir, then the same, sir,
I
the same, we can keep debating, sir. This sword and anchor I've left behind, you left behind, I left behind. What we carry the values, sir. We are after a time I live with the values, not with the anchor, not with the sword or an aircraft. Sir. The value which we here, sir. Values of community together after retirement, nothing else.
Insignia is only an identification.
Sir, with due respect to you.
Another part of
and-
the camaraderie, it goes along till we close our eyes. It goes along with that.
Sir, if this was a camaraderie, people want to post on WhatsApp the remarks they're posting. This is no problem, sir. This is the problem. Please understand.
Sadly, it's only in words, unfortunately.
You're right.
Can't be said it is in word just because somebody has misused it.
Not somebody. Please count it. You see the mail yourself.
Sir, this is the.
My mail is there is nothing new, sir. It is open.
Sir,
It's open because whatever we are talking about it, if this was a hint was given to us, yes, we are in the process of planning something, wait for the detail, then yes, it would have been there. Suddenly from the bolt, from the blue, you said we are launching, you said. Launching means already it's got a different meaning. It is to come into a current use. That is what you use the word launch. We also said there's a launch. We just wanted to say, if you had given us a brief intro, yes, we are in the planning of it, we want to take the views of the members, we would have jolly good, we would have participated with very many things. You have done a lot of spade work already, but only thing the word launch means you have already taken a decision.
So the word was so damaging. I'm so sorry about using the wrong word.
No, no,
Okay,
sir. Because
let's
that is the only
conclude.
item which has triggered everybody, sir. Let me be very candid. That word launch means you have already taken a decision, we are launching it. But everyone knows in the service when they launch a gun, launch a ship,
with
etc.
Balaswamy
It is to be used.
Okay, point taken.
Bala sir, one minute, sir. Bala sir, when we launch a ship, it's not commissioned, sir. It's just launched in the water platform, sir. It is yet to be commissioned. 1 year, 2 years to go, sir. I'm a naval officer. I can request you to appreciate the term. Launch is not wrong. It's correct.
That you are telling us only the technical part of it.
No, sir, it's the correct sentimental part, sir, with due respect. The
Okay,
sentimental part.
gentlemen, we'll stop at this. And Chris, sir, you
Can
want
I
to
sum
conclude?
up? Can I sum up?
Yes, please. Yes,
Just
please.
a moment, Colonel Krishnaswamy. I have a small suggestion for the MC. Will it be possible for you to put this particular slide as a sample and ask the members to vote for whichever one they want, instead of homing in on one? Perhaps that will unruffle the ruffled feathers, where there is a participatory acceptance. Perhaps.
I think Ravi should answer that. I don't think he will have the software to put the other ones, the ones which
The first one is very, very eloquent. The first one is very eloquent. The second one is very pedestrian. The third one is okay. And the fourth is what you have chosen.
In fact, ma'am, the first one, we discussed a lot on the first one, but the first one shows more of a school, or what do I say, youth activity.
It's flippant.
That is why we did not.
No, but it also shows dominance.
It does not respect our age.
No, it also shows wrestling.
I think Major General Gonsami got the right word, flippant.
And also gives an impression that it is a wrestling match.
Ravi, can you stop share screen so that we can see everybody?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can I tell
Something sober. I mean, this is sober. That's the point.
Sir, can the question from Mr.
Now,
Yes, sir, please.
Have your permission to, can I say that I'm summing up now?
So there's one.
Please go ahead.
Right, everyone has talked. You were saying something?
So Sergeant Captain Natarajan has got some points, sir.
You see, instead of putting all the 4 in the WhatsApp, just put the one which you have chosen and ask them whether it is okay or not. I think that will be more appropriate than creating confusion by putting all the 4.
So we have no intention of putting all the 4, sir. We are just about putting only what you have chosen. After all.
Yes.
Only that will be circulated, sir. This, in fact, we wanted to explain the journey that we underwent to choose the one that we have chosen finally.
Understood. Yeah. Thank you.
Ravi, you should put only one and say how much you like it. Like it very much, very, very much, or wonderful.
Like it, or anybody got serious objections to it? Just
No
put it-
objection.
Sir, if I may say, we will circulate a questionnaire, sir, where we'll get the feedbacks from the people. Give me 2 days time. I will get work on it, get the approval of.
Sir. No feedback. They will have 250 feedback. You'll go crazy. It'll be one khichdi.
How much I like it. Very much. Very, very much.
Will decide.
One thing I want to say, so if I may say one thing. Like we did so many other initiatives. We launched the AFVOA website. The word launch I'm using. There was no objection from anybody. Okay. We started the eConnect series. There was no objection from anybody. We allotted membership numbers. There was no objection from anybody. You take any initiative that we have done till now, everything has been welcomed with open hands. I'm just wondering why for this logo such a hue and cry. Why can't people have faith on us?
No, that is because of the recent spat between the DMA, I mean the chief of, I mean our General Bipin Rawat and the rest of the community.
Asha, I just want to tell you, you answered your own question. You answered your question, so you analyze, that's all.
Teacher sir, please start off. Teacher sir, please.
Yes, I'm starting now. I think everybody else should be muted by the. Oh, Joe's is over here.
Everybody.
There are some latecomers, but however, please listen to the summing up. Now, can I request the admin to mute the others so that there is no interruption?
Nobody will interrupt you, sir.
Nobody.
Okay. Now, let me tell you at the right from the start that I kept a very silent role in this whole project. I was not privy to any of the closed doors meetings, and I'm not saying it as a matter of complaint, but because it has came as a surprise packet even to me. Never mind. But as Harshvardhan has very categorically said and very correctly said, we had taken several initiatives, and those initiatives are all command decisions after the committee's discussion. None of us had any objection, including this present one. This was put up in the notice almost a week or 10 days back or 15 days back for that.
No, 25 days.
20 days back. No one ever objected it. Now on the last day, like our Indian politicians have done it in the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. You raise a point to shall we say, stump it. That's not fair. That is number one. Number two, the association belongs to the 250 members plus. I cannot say that I am so and so and so, I am a founder member. Yes, you are a founder member, you are a respected founder member. So am I. That doesn't mean that Ravi Mani, who joined 10 days later or 10 months later, is any less. Chandar Gonswami joined a month later. So what? For that matter, the patron joined, is not a founder member. So this question of saying that I am a founder member and I should be consulted, yes, you could have been consulted, but they wanted to have it as a big, lovely surprise. And the surprise packet has virtually put all of us in the correct perspective. In the meaning that none of us have got any serious objections. We've got suggestions, which the A. Marshall and his team have taken it into account, listened to it with patience, and I compliment the A. Marshall, such a senior officer with the variety of experience. He kept his cool, in spite of the fact, if by God, if anyone else was there, he would have thrown the towel. He said, go to hell. If for all his intentions, it gave an impression. I'm telling you, I'm not saying accusing anyone. It gave an impression that we are doubting his, shall we say, decision. And by that, I mean to a integrity for that matter. He has come here to build the organization. He has built it. And he has built it to such a level that he has left a benchmark. Now, he has not done it alone. He has done it with his team. And therefore, we all owe a debt of gratitude for this committee, for all the progressive methods that they have taken. And I also want to put it on record, sir, that some of us amongst us who might have lost our cool or did not probably know the inner reasons why it was taken, the decision was taken, and how methodically you've done it. After hearing your presentation with an open mind, which you requested, several of them would have changed their opinions. And they have had the moral courage to say so. Said, yes, I said so in the beginning, but I stand corrected. Now I'm convinced. I only wish that the notice that was published saying that the launch program had this actual hands united together and comrades forever, that was explained, nobody would have opened them out. Now the feeling is that they were not consulted. They are feeling slighted. Now that could have been avoided. Forget it. The command decision has been taken. We are all clear about why it was taken, how it was taken, how methodically it has been done, and how well it has suited our requirements. Let me also tell you, as a chronicler, when the original crest was brought up, General Abhan Naidu, who started this, and we were called Ex-Service Officers Association, he gave a scathing remark. He said, what do you mean by X? I am no longer, what do you mean by X? I am still Major General. I'm not ex-Major General. Don't call yourself X at all. Remove this word X. And he was the one who said Armed Forces Veteran Officers Association. Now, how did this crest come? Let me also share that discussion that we had. Someone raised an objection saying that it's an inter-services crest and we have not taken any sanction for its permission for using it. And suppose somebody sues us tomorrow or takes notice of it, we will be in trouble. It was brought out in the discussion. But we turned around and said, we are not saying service before self, etc., etc. Like the NDA badge, we are merely saying at the bottom of it, AFVOA. And we just got along with it. Now, the same spirit has been conveyed in the present one. And therefore, I don't think we should labor on it any further. It's a progressive one. Tradition looks backwards. Progress looks forward. And the Air Force, with its saluting pattern, zoom, progress. I compliment you, sir. And let there be no more bickering, bad blood. Let's not even have a feeling of this nature. Let's compliment the entire team of Air Marshal Vardhaman for the excellent job that they have done in a most systematic and methodical and professional manner. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. You know, the last 24 hours has been a real torment. And I mean, it played hell into our, you know, the three of us were breaking our head. What do we do and how do we go about it? We were 100% certain that we had hit the right crest. I mean, the logo was just right. We were 100% sure. And this presentation, we went through it 20 days ago. He's not even changed the date, Ravi. He's not even changed. He's wishing good morning in that. And we did it 20 days ago. It was so perfect. I said, don't touch anything, just leave it. And we were so certain that, you know, the fruits of our labor will be recognized. But unfortunately, a lot of bad blood came in. I have only one request. You know, there are so many elders here, so many of our seniors here. I think when our comrades go off on a wrong direction, a little bit of counsel may be, you know, helpful. And how you counsel a 70-year-old, I don't know. You'll have to find a way to do it. And but you know, a little bit of telling them, hey, relax. Why don't you ring up Varta? Why don't you ring up Harsha? He will clarify it to you. Instead of, you know, it was unfortunately the three of us when we were, you know, we were saying, why are people ganging up? It was literally ganging up, literally. And why are they doing it? What is it that we have done wrong? What mistake have we done? And we have gone through all this torment. But anyway, I'm glad that all of you have enjoyed this presentation. And thank you for your very nice words, sir. Thank you for the comments and appreciation from everyone. And before I sign up, I must thank the two guys who really worked hard on it. And that is Ravi and Harsha. Well done, Ravi and Harsha. Thank you. And I attend only half their presentations, but they do it every, I think, 3-4 times a day. And they've run through this practice today morning as well. And that's the amount of back-end work that goes on in the AFVOA. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And I wish you a very happy night and just dream about the logo. Thank you.
Good night. Thank you. Good night. Good night.
Good night. Thank you. Thank you.
Good night, sir.
Good night, everybody. Right.